I have a certain perception about something. Like, for example, I don't like to smoke. Okay, this is my perception. But the same thing, a smoker will say, "Arey, yaar, you don't know what it feels like." Getting to do these kind of characters right in the beginning of my career is something I am really looking forward to doing even more better. I mean, different characters, different scripts, and I think makers should probably get a fair idea of what all I can do by these two shows that I've done.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today we have with us Aditi Pohankar who has given an outstanding performance in Ashram Chapter 2. So we'll be talking about that. Hi Aditi.
Hi, thanks Rashida, thank you.
Welcome. So Aditi, firstly tell me, you of course got praises for the first chapter as well. But in the second season, what I also felt that you were owning the screen and you were actually standing out. And there were of course reviews similar. How did you feel about all the attention?
Well, that's when we started the entire shoot. In fact, it was a one season that we shot for. So I didn't know they were going to cut it into two parts, which in a way helped me a lot, because when I saw the first part, I knew that there is something that has begun with this character, with this girl. As an audience, I'm saying, if I had to watch it, and I would wait for what's going to happen with her, because if you जैसे मैंने प्रकाश सर से जब बात की थी, when I met him the first time, he said that this is Pammi's story, and she's this kind of a girl, and she's going to be going through these difficulties, and these are the things that are going to happen to her. So are you like prepared for it? Are you are you like going to put on that weight? Are you going to become that wrestler? And I said, sir, you say and I'll do it. So eventually I didn't believe that I could look like a wrestler, but I'm sure Prakash sir did, because there were a couple of look tests that we did, and a couple of runs of how can we make her look probably like a wrestler. And I did put on 9 kilos for this part. So I think all that mehnat now has come to uski safalta nazar aa rahi hai, and it's feeling amazing. Yeah.
That's great. Talking about your part, you actually looked your part. You looked like a wrestler, no doubts in that. And you were trained by, of course, Sangram Singh. So, how was the prep like? I am sure it must have been very intense.
Yes, actually, I met Sangram sir just 4 days before we started the shoot. So, but those 4 days were equivalent to at least 3 months. I mean, the knowledge, the experience, and somebody who's at that level can actually give you in a very little time everything that could have been done in that time. Of course, practice ek alag baat hai, but I was not supposed to be just a wrestler. It is the story of this girl who is a wrestler, right? So there were portions where, but they needed to look like she's a wrestler, otherwise it really would look shabby. And being a sports person, I was very sure that कि जो भी मैं करने वाली हूँ अच्छा करूंगी, नहीं तो जो मेरे coach है वो बोलेंगे यार what have you done, because the stance and everything, it takes a lot of time. It has to be ingrained in your body. So Sangram sir made it very easy for me, as well as the two other wrestlers who were there with me, who did like a small bout with me. तो हम खाने पे मिलते थे, whenever we met at the for dinner, he would say चलो चलो जल्दी चलो, हो गया खाना, चलो अभी टाइम पास मत करो. And I would be like, हाँ, but after eating what are we going to practice, but he would go down, we would go down, and बहुत ठंड थी वहाँ पे, it was very cold in Ayodhya, and he would say, okay, just stand and show me how a wrestler stands. Okay, if I do this, what are you going to do? If I do that, what are you going to do? What is this dao called? What is this पैंतरा बोलते हैं जिसको, वो क्या, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? So he was so into it that मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, and he actually jotted down all the moves that we were going to do according to what was initially he told us that आपके हिसाब से करेंगे, and then he made it so easy for us by practicing and pushing us that the dhobi pachad करके, there's one move I never thought I could do that, and that too to Bobby sir, but it happened. He said नहीं नहीं करेंगे, अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा तो नहीं करेंगे, और हमने वो सब कर लिया, So I think it was a blessing to have Sangram sir, of course, and even Prakash sir for that matter, to believe in me for this kind of a role. I think I couldn't have asked for more.
Okay, yeah. And when I saw the show, also the part 2, when you and Bobby Deol, y'all were sharing the screen, it was it looked effortless, because for the viewer also, and I feel that we could feel the, energy that was going into it. But how was it off screen? Like, did you, inculcate anything from him as an actor or as otherwise?
Yes, I did, because he says a few words, but he's very to the point. Like once I was just sitting and I was like, "Ha, kal chutti hai. I'm so happy that there's a holiday tomorrow." So he's like, Aditi, you are young, you have work right now, so you should really be thankful, because the day you are looking for work, it doesn't feel very good. So I said, sir, I know that, because that phase has happened prior in my life.
Yeah.
There have been days when I've given four auditions in a day. So, but this break with this kind of atmosphere feels great, So these are the small things that he would tell me. And then there were times when we had to rehearse. So he was completely like a co-actor. It was never like I'm with Bobby Deol, It was
Mhm.
always like I'm with a co-actor, and we both are rehearsing lines. So he would just call me and say. Initially, I was hesitant, so I would ask his manager, or I would ask my manager to ask his manager, all that wire things. And after a point, he's like, "अरे यार, क्यों तू इतना attention ले रही है? आ जाओ ना van में, या आ जाओ ना, हम सब rehearsal कर लेंगे." So I was like, "Oh, so it is cool. There's no stress about it, because I love to rehearse, and I always like it if my co-actor is aware of what I'm going to do, so that doesn't come as a shock to him." So it was a very simple and a very childlike personality, very childlike. Like he would play in the evenings, and he would be like, "Arey, Pummi, kya kar rahi hai? Aaja, aaja," like very chilled out guy. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's great. And at a moment when the chapter 2 trailer was released, there was a particular group who was, constantly asking for a ban, a particular group. And then, of course, Prakash sir gave an answer that let the viewers decide. Even with the part 1, that boycott trend was happening. Why do you think these things happen even now when content is very free flowed? And I don't think that these things are, necessary for a web show.
Well, I think, see, it's on a very human level. Like I have a certain perception about something. Like, for example, I don't like to smoke. Okay, this is my perception. But the same thing a smoker will say, "Arey yaar, you don't know what it feels like." So now for him, the same thing which can really cause harm to your lungs, that everybody knows it. But still, you think you perceive it as something as pleasure. So I think it's as basic as that. Some people look at this as oh my god, what's happening, to the society. And in fact, there is a very strong message that's going, which is going to help the society change as a revelation to a large extent. I mean, that's what Prakash sir is known for, and he has been standing his ground for these issues. तो सबको पता है, ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई नए डायरेक्टर है जिन्होंने ये कुछ बोला है. So everybody knows everything. So I think it's just like unnecessary smoke, and there's no fire actually.
Okay, yeah, correct. Agreed. Okay, so talking about your character, Pammi, and the show, do you think after, in a certain way, proving yourself, doing a character that, was challenging, of course, do you think the show has changed the ball game for you, and the way now makers are going to look at you will be a lot different than earlier?
Uh, yes, I think I've been very fortunate. In fact, with She, there was a lot of shift that happened, and a lot of people told me that you might get typecast. I said, "What is typecast? Is there a typecast script? Then I don't mind getting typecast." वो तो आप नहीं बोलोगे, क्योंकि the script was the king over here. मैंने तो अपना काम अपने हिसाब से कर लिया, जो भी whatever I did. But the script was the king. So how can you say? And people just, I've realized, randomly talk. So earlier I used to focus on it, and now I don't really focus on it. I just focus on the makers, like you said. So from there, I knew that I have done something like completely opposite to She, which was Ashram. And in that, the girl is 19, 18-year-old, who's completely driven by her passion of being a wrestler, who's a sportsman. Bhumika Pardesi, to the other extreme, was somebody who was a coy, shy, intimidated personality by the society. She was not only intimidated by her own family or her husband, or for that matter, anybody who was close to her, but the entire society as a whole. And she was like, "Yaar, मैं survive कर रही हूँ, मेरे लिए काफी है. मेरे को पगार मिलता है, मेरे लिए ठीक है." So simple as that. And cut to, you see Pammi, who's saying that, because I'm a Dalit, they are doing this to me. So I'll figure a way out. I'll go ahead. And that's how she gets into the trap of this whole Babagiri and everything. And she's like, but her paramount this thing was to become a wrestler, to become somebody,
Yeah.
you know, because her family has sacrificed so much for her. So these two opposite characters came to me, one after the other. And I think for me, it became like a rubber band. I'm at this end with Bhumika and this end with Pammi.
Yeah.
So for makers, I think I've given them enough liberty that, oh, where do you want to cast me? Please do anywhere. So, you know, one should not really shy away with performance, I think, and forget about how you look and everything. Just be the character, you know. That's the fun of it. Otherwise, why are you even acting, you know? ये बाल वाल
Definitely.
तो हम सब कर लेंगे, बाल उड़ाना, ये वो romantic songs. I also want to do that, no doubt. But getting to do these kind of characters right in the beginning of my career is something I am really looking forward to doing even more better. I mean, you know, different characters, different scripts, and I think makers should probably get a fair idea of what all I can do by these two shows that I've done.
That's brilliant. Yeah, correct. Okay. And talking about the second season, we hear it's rolling in March 2021. What is it? Are you like, give me some update if you have.
Oh, well, I don't have update yet about what's going to happen. I'm not yet been told about the story of Bollywood, but I'm sure the way it has stopped, it's going to certainly
Of
go
course.
only fast paced after this. And Bammi is not going to leave Baba at any point, you know. छोड़ेगी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ेगी, ऐसा लग रहा है. So yeah, I think it's going to be even more exciting by the looks of it. I think that what I last saw was some 738 million viewership to a show which is I think magnificent. I think the whole of India is going to be covered after a point. So I'm really looking forward if there is a second season. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. And tell me something, Aditi. You have worked in the web space, and it of course gives a very creative flow and freedom to an artist. Do you think that it's here to stay? Because of course it's doing great. And do you also like look forward to sticking to the space, or do you not mind exploring other areas also?
Well, I will be doing some films which I have come across now. So, like I said, that for me, the script is the most important part, and that maker is the
Okay.
most important. So now, if I talk about She, it was Imtiaz Ali, and now with Ashram, it's Prakash sir. So I think that as long as makers are sure of what they are making, I'm okay on any platform or any kind of space where they are going, because I'm following them more than
Yeah.
anything else. And I would be more than happy to do a film, because yes, web has a certain audience and it has a certain vastness about it, but it's also very hectic for an actor to do consecutive two intense roles like these, you know, like 80 days of shoot, which is like a lot of shooting, you know. So I would
Correct.
certainly like to do films and dabble both spaces, I think, at the same time, because otherwise, as a human being or as a person, I would probably get exhausted.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Aditi, for talking to me. It was always a
Thank
pleasure
you so much.
talking to you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.